Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to dual boot in one computer. You can run two operating systems in one computer. I have Windows 7 and also I can run Windows 10 in same computer. First of all, you will need a clean installation of Windows 7. I will give you the link in the description below how to install Windows 7, and you can check the I button at the right hand side of your screen. The first thing you have to do is open a My Computer and rename as Windows 7 in C drive. You will also have to rename C drive. In there you have to install Windows 10. After that, close the screen and restart your computer. Insert Windows 10 bootable device in your computer and tap your bootable key multiple times. And now you will see a boot option. You have to select a bootable pendrive and press enter. Check the link or the I button how to make a bootable device. This is Windows 10 installation process. Press next. Check the description or the I button for the full installation of Windows 10 and download of ISO file and activation of Windows 10. Click on I agree and press next. Always select customize. This is the very important part. Leave the partition 2 as it is, and in the partition tree that is for Windows 10 drive, just select and format and press OK. Do nothing, just wait for a moment and press next. And here you have to wait, and it will hardly take about 30 minutes or 25 minutes. Before going any further, I would request you guys, please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates. And the second important thing you should know is you have to wait for the restart. Continuously tap on the bootable key until the boot option screen displays. Do not select the bootable pen drive. You have to select your computer hard drive. Half of the Windows installation is done, and when you see this screen, just select the Windows 10 and press enter. I am from India and I will select India. Choose the keyboard layout as US. Write your computer name and do not enter the password right now. Click on yes. Accept. You have to wait for several minutes. Finally, you are in a Windows 10 desktop. First of all, I will bring all the desktop icon on the screen. I'll go to the My Computer, and as you can see, this is Windows 10 drive and another Windows 7 operating system drive. And this one is my bootable pen drive. Guys, there are two operating systems in one hard drive. Now you can use both the operating system in one computer. Now I'll show you the procedure how to go to another operating system. Go to the start button and restart your computer. You have to be fast. Tap the bootable key multiple times. You will see the boot option, and here you have to select your computer drive. Now wait for a moment. It is very simple. You will see the options, both Windows 10 and 7. Select Windows 7 and press enter. Use the arrow key button for select. Your computer will restart now, so leave as it is. Do not touch anything. As you can see, you are now in a Windows 7 operating system. This is how you can switch to Windows 7 and Windows 10 in one computer. This is how you can run dual operating system in one computer. If you have any queries regarding Windows error, please message me on Instagram. And for free softwares, please follow me on Telegram. I will give you link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you for watching.